Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Salakpal and today we are solving lead code problem number 2520. Count the digit that divide a number. There are given a problem statement how many digits in the number divide the number. Example number 1. 1, 2, 1. Output 2. 1 and 1 divide 1 to 1. 1 and 1 to 1. Output example number 2. Input num equals to 1248 output 4 because of 4 digit to given 4 divisible count 1 2 4 8 total 4 dry run num equals to 1 to 1 check digit 1 to 1 right 60 wrong and 1 to 1 right 1 and 1 to 1 count 2 count digit that divide the number and digit check dividers 1248 plus 2 divide by 2 60 624 and divide by 2 312 and divide by 2 156 that is true step read each digit of num second check if num percentage digit equals to 0 if third if yes count it last fourth return the total count. Let's go to lead code number 2520. Code explanation starting to integer, temporary, num, store original number in temperature for digit travel and using a integer count equals to 0. This variable store final answer and using a while loop. This loop run until all digits are processed and temporary integer digit equals to temp percentage 10 extra last digit and using if condition num percentage digit count increment and using temp equals to temp by 10 and return count. Let's run this code waiting for test result compile error because of semicolon mistake. Again run this code. So accepted this code and submit this question. So thank you for this video for watching. Bye.